Hello friends, Ben here for Giant Loop, and today I'm excited to tell you all about our Giant Loop tail rack. This is the Giant Loop tail rack. I've been running it on my DRZ for about a year now and I've been very happy with it. It's a very versatile, easy to use option for mounting all kinds of gear and bags and other things to your bike, and yet it's completely unobtrusive and stays out of the way when you're not using it. It's one of my favorite features of this thing. Giant Loop's tail rack delivers a simple, low profile, inexpensive, strong, easy to use gear attachment solution for any motorcycle with plastic fenders, be it dual sport, dirt bike, or enduro. The rack comes with a full stainless steel mounting kit and everything that you need to put it on your bike. It's made out of heavy gauge, anodized aluminum, and can be used to mount a myriad of different types of Giant Loop bags, including the MoJavi Saddlebag, the Coyote Saddlebag, the Revelstoke Dry Bag, the Revelstoke Dry Bag, and all kinds of other stuff. When used with our Pronghorn Straps, you can mount almost anything that'll fit on this rack to it, including fuel bottles, a small cooler, extra gear, an extra coat, a boot. A Subway sandwich would fit on here. You could mount that to this rack and know that it's secure and going to be there when you get off the bike. One of my favorite features of this rack is that it basically disappears when you're not using it. So it's got a really small profile. It's about 5x8. It fits well within the outer silhouette of my rear fender here on the DRZ. Most racks are a lot bigger than this, so you can catch your leg on them when you're swinging over, when you're not using them, and they add unnecessary extra bulk and weight to your bike when you're not using them. The Giant Loop tail rack does not do either one of those things. So if you're looking for a minimalist solution that basically disappears when you're not using it, the Giant Loop tail rack is the only solution that I'm aware of. It's also very inexpensive. At $49, it's less than half the cost of most traditional racks out there. And because it's universal fit, you know it's gonna work with your bike so long as you have a plastic rear fender to attach it to. Attachment is quick and easy. We have an installation video, which I will link for you right up here, where Ryan walks you through all the steps of drilling holes, and then you just put the bolts through and you're basically good to go. It has these retention clips on the rack that make it so that nothing is going to slide out. Everything you put in there is very secure, and it works very well with our Pronghorn straps. The other cool thing about this rack is that it can be mounted two ways. So I've got mine mounted in line with the bike, but you can actually mount it sideways to give yourself more mounting options in the wider configuration. It's got many different places where you can put the straps. So you can put a pronghorn through here, they can go horizontally or vertically, and it's just a really versatile, really useful piece of gear that I'm really glad that I've had on my bike for the past year. It's worked out really well for me, and I've mounted all kinds of stuff to it. If you have any questions about the Giant Loop tail rack, please feel free to leave them in the comments or use the chat now feature on giantloopmoto.com to chat with our gear guru Ryan in real time. Ryan is the guy that's got all the answers and can walk you through step by step, selecting the right gear for your bike and your needs, and also help you with any fitment or installation questions you might have. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more gear overviews and other great content. And don't forget that YouTube subscribers save 10% on giantloopmoto.com with promo code SUBSCRIBER. All orders over $50 from giantloopmoto.com ship for free. Thank you for watching. Go light, go fast, go far with Giant Loop.